Say hello to Wemo Mini, the smart plug that makes your life truly comfortable. Mini can help you get your day started, or give power to your voice.
Turn off the kitchen.
Wemo Mini can also give you peace of mind. You can also schedule Mini to make your life easier and welcome you home.
Turn on the home. Turn off the bedroom.
We were built to last. Your living proof.
The Kasa Smart Ecosystem.
Alex, turn the humidifier.
Okay.
If your Hive devices are not connecting to each other properly, we'll send you a smart plug to extend the range of your system. Here's how to set it up. Unpack your smart plug and read the instructions, then choose a location for it. We recommend you find a plug in a point that's halfway between the piece of Hive kit that's having connectivity issues and the rest of your kit. Once your smart plug is switched on, the light on the front should begin to flash amber. Go online and log into your My Hive account on the Hive Home website using your username and password. Once you've logged in, click on Settings and then click on Devices. Then select the Add Devices button. Once your smart plug appears on the screen, press Continue to complete the setup. Remember to keep the power to your smart plug on, otherwise it won't work. With Hive, you're always in control.